In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed your brakes on a Buick Encore. So we're going to inspect our cap, make sure there's no debris on it. You're going to dust off your cap, remove it. After you take your cap off, make sure you check the cap. It should say what the manufacturer specifies for brake fluid. This one says .4. And we're going to take out our little filter here. You might need a screwdriver to do that, or a pick. At this point, you want to siphon out all the fluid and put in clean fluid. Now we're going to use a tool like this to siphon out the old fluid out of the master cylinder. I'm going to insert it into where it's a little deeper. I have a basin next to me to pour it into. Just get as much as you can out. Sometimes it's difficult to get all of it out. So now we want to add some clean fluid up to the max. Now we're going to clean up and put our cap back on. And now we're going to bleed the brakes. The bleeding sequence is right rear, right front, left front. Make sure that you have a drain bucket below before proceeding. Remove your bleeder cap. I have someone in the vehicle to pump up the brakes for me and to hold it. Let the pedal go to the floor as I close the bleeder. I'm using a 10mm wrench to open up the bleeder, and then I'm going to use my fluid catcher to catch the fluid as I bleed the brakes. It's to the floor, so I'm going to close the bleeder. Pump it up, please. He's holding, so I'm going to open up the bleeder. It's to the floor. As we're doing this, we're looking at this hose for air bubbles, or if you're not using this and you just have a drip pan below, you're looking for air bubbles coming out. It's to the floor. I'm still seeing quite a bit of air, so we're going to pump it up again. Holding. We're going to do one more on this side. Pump it up, please. He's holding. It's to the floor. I have not seen any air bubbles on that one, so we're going to tighten this up. Make sure you clean it off and replace the cap. And now we're going to go to our left rear wheel. So after you've done the first two wheels, you want to make sure you take your cap off and check your fluid, and just top off if you need to. Again, it should be at that max line. And now we're going to go to our right front. Now we're going to take our cap off, our front right bleeder, and begin pumping it up, please. Pump it up. Still saw some air in there, so we're doing one more. Pump it up, please. Holding. That's better. Tighten up the bleeder. And I'm going to clean it off with some brake pads cleaner. Let that drip dry. And replace your bleeder cap. Okay, so now you're going to repeat the process on the other side, the driver's side front. And after that, we're going to go to our master cylinder, top off your fluid the last time. Put your cap back on. Now you're going to get in your vehicle and test your brake. Make sure you pump it up. It should feel firm. If it doesn't, then you have to do the entire brake bleed procedure again. If it feels fine, you can put your wheels back on, torque them to the manufacturer's spec, and take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.